Renson, tough game today, right? You never expected that, right?
There's a tough group, you know. We all know KT would have come pressure because they're second in the group, so expected the game to be tough.
What do you think about the team performance today? You think you enjoyed what happened and you think that you guys control the game as you wanted to?
Well, in the first half we played a little soft. You know, we can always play harder. We picked it up in the second half and I think we got in the groove and scored a lot of goals in the second half.
Disappointed conceding that goal?
Yeah, I was disappointed to concede. You know, we always try to be perfect, but body's not perfect. God will make everyone perfect, so a little disappointed, but just have to go back to the training ground and come again.
In the latter stage of the game, everyone got a bit emotional. What do you think about that? The emotions spraying all over the place.
Well, you know, when a team is losing, they kind of get frustrated. So we just try to bear with their frustration and try to play the ball more and pass it around more. Get them even more frustrated, at least get them a red card. So yeah, we just continue to play our game and finish off the game strong.
You take the penalty. What was going through your mind when you stand over that?
Well,
full of confidence.
Yeah, since last year I was taking penalties, so wasn't no pressure at all. So just went up and do what the team wants me to do.
Finally, what's your assessment of your own personal performance today?
Think I could do better. Can always do better. Just have to go back home, train hard, come back again. Well, I think the game was kind of good still defensively. Me and my partner, Malachi Sterling, I always do well. We have a good, strong partnership, and yeah.
Which footballer you emulate and you say that's a player that I would want to play like?
Well, I'm not really defender, but I'll say Casemiro.
Casemiro?
Yeah.
You're a Manchester United fan?
No, I'm just...
You just like Casemiro?
Yeah, Casemiro.
What area in your skill set you think you can work on to be the finished product?
Think I can gain a little more speed. I'm a very intelligent player. Can handle the ball very well. I need to work on my passes more as well and my communication.
You think that maybe putting on in the defensive third, is the coach probably looking at how good you are defensively?
Well, I play the coach, so I have a lot of experience from 2 years back. So I think he trusts me around there and I just have to do what he told me to do and just complete the task.
What type of centre back since you're playing the centre back position now, what type of centre back you're fulfilling the role? A ball playing centre back or just one who's just cleaning up and taking control?
I'm kind of ball playing centre back, as I say, I can play midfield as well. So I think the coach put me on it to handle the ball very well and keep the ball. Yeah.
If needs be this season, you kind of step up in the midfield and just deliver just the same?
Yeah, I always wanted to try to play midfield, but you know, I just have to do what the coach says. The coach always has the first say and just have to respect his instruction.
What's the expectation for you this season? Your personal expectation?
My personal expectation? I want to finish the season. Well, I want to win, defend my title, and even go on to the Oliver Shield and win again. But I think I want to keep more clean sheets, yeah, and go through the season with these goals scored against.
If you say there's one team you want to really beat this season, which team would that be?
I wouldn't say because I'm just prepared for the next game, which is Meadowbrook. Yeah, not really focused on the future. Right now it's next game.
All right, bless up here, sorry.
Yeah.